Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to clear YouTube watch history. Okay, let's go to the video. Go to YouTube app. Then you can see library on the bottom right side. Click on library. Then here click on history. Now you can see three dots on the top right side. Click on that. After that, here click on history controls. Here now you can see clear watch history. Click on that. Then it is asking question clear watch history. Yes, click on clear watch history. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.